Hello, my name is Adam Kearley, aka Here's Jolly, and I am an internet celebrity. As an internet celebrity, I am uniquely qualified to solve people's problems so they don't have to. Reddit user Lumpy Skull writes, I want to buy a new computer, but my wife keeps whining about our damn children and how they're hungry. Where can I sign them up to make some money from them? Because all they do is eat, shit, and cry. You know you can lease to own pretty much anything these days, right? If you can't afford the upfront cost of a new PC and still afford to feed your kids, leasing them out to lonely people who can't have children of their own might be just the solution you've been looking for. Just remember to do thorough background checks and put it in the terms and conditions that it's the leasee's responsibility to feed, clean, and clothe the merchandise. This way, leasing will not only make you money without any legal or moral hurdles to contend with, it will also save you money by deferring the cost of maintenance onto the consumer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, or you simply enjoyed the sound of my voice and shiny name tag, give it a like and share it with your friends and loved ones. Follow/subscribe to me on all of the things, and if you have a problem that you would like my help solving, tweet it using the hashtag dearjolly. If you'd like to do more to help me and this series, I do have a Patreon with tiers starting at $1, which can be found at patreon.com/Adam Kearley.